What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be covering AMC GameStop. Of course, what's going to happen tomorrow for the Quad Witching Day. I'll give you guys my thoughts and the overall shaky market. So if you guys do find any value in live trading, live market analysis, we go live every single day, Monday through Friday at market open and power hour, which is the last hour of the trading day. So if you do find value, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Without further ado, let's hop right in. Guys, the market is still a little bit shaky with the 10-year still rising at the time of this recording. It's at 1.71%. There's still a lot of uncertainty about inflation. We had Powell speak yesterday, and it looks like the market is not buying his confidence. Have some cash on the side to buy these discounts. Obviously, I bought some 10 shares of Tesla, which we'll cover at the end of the video. But for the main meat of this video, guys, Quad Witching Day is tomorrow, March 19th. What I expect and what you guys can expect is a ton of volatility. If there's anything I love in the markets, it's volatility, so bring it on. Due to options, stock futures, index options expiring simultaneously, power hour tomorrow is going to be completely nuts. I'm very excited. I'm very looking forward to it, but I am not going to get my hopes up if we don't squeeze, and there might be a ton of selling pressure and a ton of shorting regardless. So we're in for a big fight, and to me this day doesn't really matter. Why? Because I'm not going to sell regardless. I am not selling. If it pushes up, of course it benefits us. If it pulls back, obviously not, but I'm not selling regardless. And if we do pull back, I will be buying more shares. AMC is anticipating 98% reopening of US locations by tomorrow. We are also going to the AMC theaters tomorrow. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are waiting to reopen and also want to go watch a movie. 99% of locations should be open by March 26th. We had AMC on CNBC this morning. Jim Cramer also seems to like the stock. 52 of 54 AMC locations in California would be open by Monday. This is nothing but good news. Let's go back to the movies. AMC, this is where the options get really interesting, guys. This is why I think there's massive selling pressure and shorting on AMC. AMC has 48,000 more call options that expire tomorrow in the money if we close above $15. That's why we've been seeing that pressure. Even GameStop has been seeing some pressure, which we'll cover right now. Tends to total out to 4.8 million shares that need to be bought. There has been huge blocks. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed if you pull up the times and sales on whatever broker you're using, but for Thinkorswim in this case, there's huge block orders at market close, which has been pretty consistent. Yesterday there was 2 blocks of 4.7 million, and today there was 2 blocks of 4.2 million. Guess who also purchased some shares of AMC? Fidelity. 500,000 shares were bought of AMC yesterday. As for the technicals, guys, technicals is where it tends to get really interesting. GameStop has support right around 200. Let's talk about GameStop really quick. Right around 200 is where that support is at. One thing, if you've noticed, GameStop has this similar pattern as it did yesterday, even headed into the market close. We've had the same pattern, the same selling pressure. Right around 200, we have that support. We need to push above 240. My price target for mid next week, keep in mind we have earnings call next week, early Tuesday, which was changed. They changed the earnings day, the earnings call, to the Tuesday, which is March 3rd. 23rd, I'm sorry. But we should be pushing above 230s. That's my next price target. If we do pull back and double bottom here at 174, I'll continue to add more on the shares. As for AMC, there is some support right around 1350. Let's pull this up. Such a beautiful pattern. When in doubt, we're still green on the day. When in doubt, zoom out. We still have that beautiful uptrend. It looks like a massive cup and handle is forming here on AMC on the daily chart. We'll pull this up right now really quick. You guys see this? This is such a beautiful pattern, such a beautiful uptrend. I'm still going to stay true to my price target that I said at the beginning of the week, which is $18. But with the options expiring tomorrow, such volatility, that is not impossible. Let's close above $18 tomorrow. Let's well shoot for 15 first, and then this should be way easier to push past that. With the volume, guys, we have massive volume on AMC, 120 million. The volume on GameStop has, however, sadly been dwindling down, which doesn't tend to worry me much because I think that's going to really switch and really pick up, especially with the earnings call, man. We have yet to hear any updates, any announcements from Ryan Cohen and GameStop. We haven't heard anything. I'm really excited to what's to come. Expect massive volatility tomorrow and next week for GameStop, especially, guys, with these company updates we need. Let's see how the new business model, the new strategy is going to come for the rest of the year and for the rest of the company. I really truly believe that this is like a textbook historic play. It's going to be written in the textbooks years from now as the company that was able to come back from this, literally to transform. Ryan Cohen took Chewy into an e-commerce giant. He can with GameStop, and I believe him. In Ryan Cohen, I trust, and I believe Ryan Cohen is going to pull this off. As for some Tesla, let's pull up some Tesla. Let's talk about Elon really quick. Let's pull this really quick. Here we go. I initiated my position already on Tesla. I bought 10 shares. I'm already down 218 bucks. Of course, I have my trigger finger. I said I was going to buy under 650. I should have stayed true to that, but I always love buying me some Tesla. If it does come down under 650, I'm going to be adding more. But with the overall market pulling back, guys, NASDAQ being a bit toppy, don't be surprised if we see some more downside tomorrow. If we look here on the 4-hour, let's pull up the 4-hour really quick. It looks like it's double bottom here at 650, guys. If it does come down, don't be surprised if we see 600s again. I'm definitely licking my lips for prices at the at these levels. Will I get them tomorrow on Friday? I don't know, especially with the volatility tomorrow we're about to see. If we do see 600, of course, I will be buying more. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys do find this video of any value, make sure you slap a like. I'm very excited for tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Talk about volatility. Talk about volume. Talk about momentum. I will see you guys tomorrow for another bright and early trading session. Peace out.